Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Smartass Sass for September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so September's box just arrived. Smartass Sass does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys know, this is my Smartass Sass video, so there's no telling what's going to come out of here in this video. There's your disclaimer. Now, they did send out an email in the very beginning of September stating that there was one of the items in the box for this month that was delayed in shipping by a hair, and that everything will be shipped towards the very end of the month. But we had a heads up almost a month in advance to let us know, and I'm okay with that, especially as we're going more and more and getting closer to the holidays. Shipping is just ridiculous, and I always say that's one thing I cannot control is shipping. So I'm totally fine with shipping delays because we got it now, and they really wanted us to have all of the products that they planned for this theme. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we're going to have when you first open it up. That is what it looks like right about there. So now with this one, you can get a shirt only, you can get the goods only, or you can get the big box like they send me, which is the goods and the shirt. So I like to start with the shirt first. This is actually a shirt from them too. I love their shirts. They're super soft. They're so comfortable. They last a very long time. I just love them. And you can purchase the shirts individually with items from their website. Everything will be linked down below. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see. Bring, there's something going on in there. Let's see what the shirt is. So if you get the shirt only or the big box, this is the shirt, and they come extra small to 3XL soft blended unisex tees. So right off the bat, we have a really pretty blue color. And then the front of it says, I saw what you did for a Klondike bar. Call me. Are you serious? I saw what you did with that shit. Call me. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Somebody saw what you did and they want you to call them. That is so cute. I love the little bear. I love the colors. I like the moon and the little stars. That is just super cute. I'm loving the shirt this month, you guys. When you get the subscription, the shirt's valued at $15.95. But again, you can purchase them directly on their website. This month in their shop, which was last month, but it probably is still active, hopefully. The code is WERK. Work! You better work. So it says, be stronger than your strongest excuse. Ooh, that's nice. September, you said? Are we fucking hearing things correctly? The days might seem long, but the months continue to fly right on by. Ain't that the truth? With the summer winding down, we're all getting ready to put some serious elbow grease into some things. This month's subscription is all about being a goal-getter. Put everything you got into the things you love, whether it's a relationship, a hobby, family, friends, work, or all of the above. We're not shoulda, coulda, woulda-ing, we're doing. We're here to remind you to work, bitch. September is all about living and loving the work you put into things. So no matter what you're doing, put that work into it. Awesome. I love that. So now I'm still hearing a bell in there. Oh, so here's a card for something that's in here. Now, they do put, like, for the shirt, you get this little card, and I tell you guys I'm hanging them up in my office, and it says, it's already yours. The universe. It's already yours. That's cool. So that's going up in my office. Okay, so the other thing right on top is this big book right here, and it says Carp fucking Demi? I'm not sure how you say that. But it says a journal to seize the fucking day. So, oh, okay, that's really neat. Okay, so when you open it up, it says this fucking journal belongs to, and you put your name, and then you have like different sections. So it says, well, time to get fucking started. Make this year your bitch. Yearly goals, damn it. So right there, you can put your yearly goals down. And then, like I said, there's different sections. Shit to remember, another fucking list. You fucking got this. And then there's all different journaling you can do in between it. You can write the date on the top. So then each color would be something else. See all the different color coordinations going on? So here you can write shit to remember again. So you just have fresh out of fucks. You have a nice little journal with all these different tabs. Oh, hot damn. That is really cool. I love this journal. So what it says about it, it says it's by source books. Ditch the anxiety, shake off the stress, and take a moment each day to focus on the number one fucking person in your life. You. Packed with profanity and self-care. $14.99 value. And you can use code WERK for 20% off the shop at Smartass and Sass. So they're going to sell this on their shop, and you can use WERK to save 20% off this month. So there's item number one, again valued for $14.99. Let's see what this little magical thing is in here. It comes in this really cute box. It says, "Not today, bitch." So it comes in a nice little decorative box. And oh, it's a panic button bell. How cute. And I love that color, like the peach. And it just says panic button on both sides. And I'm going to ding it. It's like a hotel dinger dinger. I've never had a big honkin' like industrial hotel dinger dinger. I've had little dinger dingers, but not big ones. Ding ding. And the cool thing about Smartass and Sass, when they come out with really amazing products like this, they give you like a really cool gift ready box that you can either use the box for something else, or you can gift this to somebody and it's already in its own box, gift ready. So that is really neat. So this says Panic Button Bell by Smartass and Sass. Bring, bring, bitch. Bring, bring, bitch. Need someone's attention ASAP? Instead of raising voices, raise the noises. Ah, that's a good one. Panic mode commencing and someone better come to the rescue. Valued for $10. And again, that's from Smartass and Sass. That is so cool. So then here we have this little roll. Is this the little washi tape? Yes, and it says work, bitch. And it does say, I do whatever the fuck I want. I do whatever the fuck I want, period. Yes. And this is by Smartass and Sass, and it says, spice up your crafts, scrapbook, or personal notepad with this sassy ass decorative tape. Mend what's broken with no fucks to give, because we run this bitch. Valued for $4. And again, from Smartass and Sass. And, oh, this upside down. Work, bitch. You better work. Now we have, it looks like it's a, is this like a card deck? It says, built, not bought. Hustled, not handed. Earned, not given. Yes, that's how I was raised. That is how I was raised. You need to earn it. What are these? Let's see. Oh, it's not these. It's something cool. It's like a little, oh wait, is this like a, see you at the top? Is this like a business card holder? Hold up, let me find this. Yes, see you at the top card holder. Let me remove the plastic. That is so nice. Okay, so it's like a gray and it has little lines throughout. It looks kind of like a wood finish. It's not wood, but it looks like it has a wood finish on it. And then it says, see you at the top. This is by Smartass and Sass. It says, you want my card? Yeah, hold on. They're in this badass card holder from yours truly. See you all at the top. We'll have the champagne chilled. Good, because I like mine cold. I'll be there. I'll be there with bells on. I'm there with fucking bells on. This is really, really neat because I do have business cards for the company I work for and for me, my SheCrafty ones. So I'm going to put my SheCrafty ones in this, and then I'll have the other set for the company cards that I have. So that is really neat. I actually really, really like this, and it's valued for $15. It feels so nice, and what I really like about it is the larger capacity. So like you can put a good size amount of cards in there. The other one that I have for, like I said, the company that I work for, it's so small. I can only put a few cards in there and it scratches them going in and out. So I'm really, really glad to get this in here. I really, really am. I'm definitely going to use that shit for sure. Okay, so let's see what else in here. We have the Pinch Me Therapy Dough. You lost me at hello. This is definitely really good for you to use if you want like stress relieving, that kind of thing. And it always smells really good. Makes your hands smell good. You can smell it while you're playing with it. It's like adult Play-Doh. And that is by Pinch Me. And that is what this card is right here that they gave alongside. So there's the Pinch Me Therapy Dough. And it says, "You lost me at hello dough by Pinch Me Therapy Dough. Allow the feelings of calm and peace to wash over you. This scent is called Zen, and it's the truest name. Will transport you to inner tranquility. Squeeze and breathe." It says Zen. I'm a little concerned that it might have a little bit of lavender in there. I don't know if it does. It's just the color purple and lavender just makes me wonder. With Zen, Zen sounds like it's going to be a calming and soothing scent, like spa feel. And spa, to me, there's a lot of lavender used. I've been in a spa before where they were literally like, had some blowing thing of all lavender. It's supposed to be calming, and I just, if you know me and lavender, it was not calming for me. But I think that might be what this is. I actually have I have one like this in teal, and I have a bigger one. So I'm just going to say, keep this all closed, and I'm going to put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. Because like I said, I have it, and mine is not even dried out. Like one of mine I got probably, oh man, almost maybe 2 years ago, and I can still pull that bad boy out and play with it. It still smells amazing. It still feels good. It's not dried out or anything like that. So since I have others, I would love to just share this with one of you guys. So I'm going to pass this down to one of you guys, but it is valued at $14.99. There's one more item in here, and it says the Daily Sampler Desktop Affirmations. Ooh, this reminds me of the little thing that had like a little frame like this, and it had like the font like this too, like the old school writing that you find like on dish towels. And it says, the one I left in it, it was a 2-piece set. The one I left in it was a sponge to clean your dishes with, and it says fuck dish shit. And I put it on my wall because I thought it was too cute. I didn't want to use the sponge, so I have it like on my wall. But that's what this reminds me of. Okay, so this is by Genuine Fred is the name. Let's get it out of the box. It says cross stitch with a fucking twist. Yeah, like the cross stitch. That's the look I was trying to say when I said it looks like the older dish towels. Yeah, that. See, like this style. And holy moly, there's a lot of them in there. That is really neat. So I guess you can just probably like just prop it on your desk and whatever you feel like saying. That is so cool. I'm definitely putting this on my desk tomorrow. But it says cross stitch with a fucking twist. 32 changeable tabletop affirmations to be swapped depending on your mood and tude. Some for the good days, some for the bad days, and some for the mess in between. Valued for $13, and you can get it at genuinefred.com. Use code WERK for 20% off. Excluding sales items, limit 1 per customer, good through October 1st, 2021, which was yesterday. So maybe the company might have extended the coupon because of the situation. I'm not quite sure, but you can try to use WERK if you wanted to order from this company. Okay, so some of them do go long ways, so you could just set it this way or this way. So you have gone meetin'. The answer is no. Let's not panic. I'm not bossy. I'm the boss. Yes. Ask me how I do it. Now accepting tips. Give them hell. Another day in paradise. Nope. I got a stamp from them too. You stamp it and it says nope. Not today, Satan. I'm just here for the free coffee. Not normal. I'd rather not. Genius at work. I do what I want. It could be worse. Everything could always be worse. What fresh hell is this? My cube, my rules. Kind of feeling it today. Meh. Don't kill my vibe. WTF. Ask me about my raise. I want to know that one too. Whatever. You may approach. Oh, walk away. Let me Google that for you. Ask me about my feelings. 60% of the time, it works every time. It's better in my imagination. I'm over it. There's so many good ones. I don't know what to choose first, but the good thing about this, you have 32 different ones. They're back and forth. You can change them every single day if you would like. I think that is so cool. Let me stick it in here. Just walk away. There's one other thing on here, but is not in the box. So I don't know if maybe that was the item that was supposed to be in the box and they shipped it anyways because it was too late, or it missed it in my box, or it was an either or. I'm not sure. I've never had a product. I don't think I've ever had a product not be in my box, but be on this paper. It says, I have to go make a scents mug by Smartass Sass. The cutest damn travel mug you've ever set your eyes on. Fills 12 ounce and it's silicone wrapped for easy grip to clean. Hand wash, do not microwave. Valued for $22. And I like the color. That's what it would look like right there. So again, I'm not quite sure about that item, if that was supposed to be in my box or if that is the product that was taking too long. I'm not quite sure. The email didn't say what product it was because, you know, they want you to be surprised when you get the box. So that is everything that came inside of my box. I have this shirt, which is, I saw what you did for that Klondike bar. Call me. That's so cool. I really, really like this because you can put this anywhere. It doesn't have to go on your desk. You can put it on your mantle. You can put it on your nightstand. You can put it on your coffee table, your end tables. I mean, you can literally put this anywhere you want. And I think that is so cool that there's so many different things to switch them out and it can go either way. So you have that. You have the bell. You have a business card holder, which I'm super, super excited about. You have the washi tape. You have the pinch me. And then you have this big old, really cool journal. You can color coordinate your journal in here. And it has a lot of cool sayings in there. I love that. So that is everything that came in the September box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the products inside? I think they killed it yet again. This was an amazing box. I am loving everything that they put in here. And of course, they always do amazing, but this was a really, really good box. I'm thinking this is one of the top boxes in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know. If you want a little bit more information about Smartass Sass, I will let you know right about now. Again, they are linked down below and there are 3 different subscriptions. You can start with the shirt only. That is $15.95. And again, they are soft blended unisex tees from extra small to 3XL in sizes. You can do the goods only, no shirt. All of the other stuff, no shirt. That is $34.95, or you can get the big box, which is all of the goods and the shirt, for $49.95. Shipping is an additional charge. We love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. I think that's why I just feel like this box was meant for me. I absolutely love this box. So Smartass Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time themed boxes and products available directly on our website. They even have little curated boxes that are already ready to go if you want to choose for yourself or for gift ideas. Again, holidays are coming up, so that would be amazing gift ideas because you can purchase the shirts, you can purchase individual items, or they have the little boxes or one-time boxes that you can purchase from their website. All below, like I said. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.